This is our FSA 60 strimmer on the Stihl AK battery range. If you have one of these and you run out of line or you want to replace your head because it's worn over time, what you need to do, you don't need any tools for this, you need to loosen off the black button in the middle, so turn that anti-clockwise until you can feel like it's loose. There is a floating nut in there that loosens off, so keep going until that's totally loose, then your head will pop off. So if your line is empty on your head, you can refill it at this stage. So all you're doing is cutting about 6 meters worth of line, feeding it through the holes here, it'll automatically come out the other side. Then you use the white part, which has arrows on it. You spin that until the line winds itself all the way back in. Then we'll just pop it back on the strimmer. So fit it back on and then tighten your button in the middle again. So you're turning that clockwise until it's tight again. Then you're ready to go.